So let me switch gears a little bit. In large part, many of the profits that Autonation has been experiencing have come through the used car. I mean, you got the Autonation USA
Yes.
chain going again with very aggressive expansion plans. Dealers are wondering, how is he sourcing that many used cars in a market right now that's so tough to get used cars? And then what does the future look like for you in that sector?
So we took our destiny into our own hands.
Okay.
We're not reactive, we're active. Well, quite frankly, I said it a little bit earlier, but maybe you didn't realize the dimension. I mean, we're calling anybody that advertises their car for sale in America.
Wow.
We call them. They get a call from Autonation.
Right.
And we make them a nice offer.
Right.
And we'll either come get it or they can come in and get a check. And if I look at the last quarter, I mean, we almost, on just that, just calling for cars,
Right.
we purchased 30,000 cars.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So, and it's building every month that goes by.
Yeah.
So you combine that with very aggressively buying off-lease vehicles and, of course, all the trade-ins that everybody does.
Sure.
But we source, on this spectacular pre-owned volume, we're sourcing ourselves 90%. We do buy some at auction, but the idea that I'm going to depend it upon buying from auction is not a strategy I like.
Okay.
You can put a little icing on the cake with the auctions. That's fine, but I don't want to be
So then this
dependent on auctions.
This is going to be a mainstay then. I mean,
It is a mainstay
forward.
forever.
I mean,
And mainstay forever. And our USA stores are very different than what originally happened 20-some years ago. They're very focused on three things. They're basically a delivery center. They're basically a speed to market reconditioning center, and they're basically an acquisition center, buying directly from consumers.
Sure.
And so we know exactly where to locate them, and it's all connected to our digital platform at the same time. And our average cost is $10 million to open a store.
Okay.
One of these locations, and consumers still like to come in and physically take delivery. We offer home delivery, but
there's no blue sky you have to pay for when you acquire one. Of those.
Okay, there's no blue sky, no manufacturer approval.
That's right.
And I have a national brand, so I've done the hard part.
Sure.
I have national brand.
Right.
I have the operating system.
Yeah.
I have central one price, central acquisition.
Yep.
And a brand that consumers trust.
Yeah, for sure.
So I just put the Autonation sign up, and
Pretty
on
simple.
our USA stores,
It's like the golden arches of the retail.
we're profitable the first month.
Yeah, wow, that's pretty strong.
That's pretty strong.
Yeah, that is.